Hey viewers, my name is James. If you enjoy hidden tech secrets, shocking upgrades, and things most people overlook, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, because what's coming next might completely change how you see this device. The Pixel 11 Pro XL isn't just another yearly upgrade, it's quietly rewriting the rules of what a flagship smartphone can deliver. At first glance, it may appear familiar, almost indistinguishable from its predecessors. But don't be fooled. Under that clean, recognizable design lies a network of subtle, carefully orchestrated evolutions that could dramatically reshape speed, photography, connectivity, and AI intelligence. This isn't just a new phone, it's a statement on what smartphones are capable of when innovation is applied strategically rather than superficially. Let's begin with performance. Google is reportedly shifting from Samsung-made modems to the MediaTek M90, paired with its custom Tensor G6 processor. On paper, this sounds like a normal upgrade, but in practice, it could change how millions experience mobile networks. Imagine download speeds exceeding most home Wi-Fi, seamless dual SIM dual active support, and even built-in satellite connectivity for areas previously considered network dead zones. This is a bold departure from past Pixels, where connectivity inconsistencies sometimes hampered real-world performance. Tensor G6 doesn't just provide raw power, it optimizes performance intelligently, prioritizing tasks, allocating power efficiently, and learning from user behavior. The result is a phone that feels faster, smarter, and more adaptive than any previous Pixel, all without the usual fanfare. Camera evolution has always been Google's secret weapon, and the Pixel 11 Pro XL is no exception. The familiar camera bar hides advanced computational photography tricks that push imaging closer to professional quality than ever before. Night mode now predicts motion to stabilize even fast-moving shots, while ultra-wide sensors capture crisp, distortion-free landscapes. Telephoto performance has improved, but the real secret lies in hidden AI filters that adjust in real time to your shooting habits. Every photo you take isn't just a picture, it's a smart reconstruction of light, motion, and detail. What's fascinating is that these upgrades aren't just hardware-driven, they rely on the Tensor G6 AI capabilities, meaning the camera becomes smarter over time, learning your style and optimizing results automatically. Design refinements, while subtle, are also crucial. Smaller bezels, a slightly altered glass curvature, and reinforced internal frames improve grip and screen durability. These changes may seem cosmetic at first, but they're engineered to enhance real-world usability. Drop resistance is improved, repairability is easier, and future component swaps are possible. Google is clearly thinking about long-term longevity rather than chasing flashy annual redesigns. The Pixel 11 Pro XL could outlast competitors that boast flashy appearances but wear down after months of use. This strategic patience in design is almost unheard of in a market obsessed with novelty. Battery life has received a quiet but significant overhaul. While the spec sheet suggests standard capacity, the Tensor G6 AI-driven power management optimizes usage in real time. Your most used apps consume less energy, background tasks are streamlined, and the system anticipates your daily routine to conserve power. Whether streaming, gaming, or late-night browsing, the battery lasts longer than you might expect. Google has essentially made battery life invisible, it just works, adapting dynamically without any user intervention, making the device feel dependable even under heavy usage. Despite these advancements, there are trade-offs. Extreme gaming may reveal Tensor G6 limits, and some app launch times might lag behind Snapdragon alternatives. These choices were deliberate. Google prioritized AI optimization, reliability, and sustainable performance over short-term speed metrics. Unlike competitors chasing benchmarks for a week, this phone is designed to feel consistently smooth and capable over years, not just days. It's a philosophical shift that many users won't appreciate immediately, but those who understand it will see the long-term value. Internally, Google reportedly debated a radical redesign but opted for refinement over revolution. The familiar silhouette allows interchangeable parts across generations, improving repairability and sustainability. Over 30% of the materials are recycled, and the aluminum frame is entirely reused from older models. These decisions signal Google's commitment to environmental responsibility without compromising premium feel or performance, a quiet yet impactful statement in a market often criticized for wasteful practices. Software evolution complements hardware innovation. Pixel drop updates enhance system-wide AI, improving voice commands, photography, notifications, and app management. Some features may not even be fully public at launch, hinting at a phone that grows smarter over time. Your Pixel 11 Pro XL could feel significantly different after several months, with AI adapting to your habits, preferences, and routines. This ongoing evolution makes the device feel alive, rather than static, a flagship that improves as you use it, not just at the moment of purchase. Connectivity innovations also hint at a broader strategy. Satellite support, faster dual SIM 5G, and improved modem efficiency suggest that Google is preparing for a future where seamless communication is essential. Whether in dense cities or remote areas, the phone could maintain high-speed connectivity where other devices fail. This approach could redefine expectations for flagship smartphones globally, making network reliability as important as raw performance. Another hidden strength is predictive AI. Tensor G6 is designed to anticipate user behavior, optimizing energy allocation, predicting app usage, and adjusting notifications intelligently. This subtle intelligence makes the phone feel intuitive, almost anticipating your needs before you interact with it. Combined with the camera's evolving AI, the Pixel 11 Pro XL becomes a device that not only reacts but learns, enhancing usability in ways that most users won't fully realize until weeks or months of daily use. While competitors chase foldable designs, gimmicky annual tweaks, or flashy benchmarks, Google is quietly betting on intelligent upgrades, sustainability, and long-term usability. The Pixel 11 Pro XL doesn't scream innovation with dramatic visuals, it demonstrates it through smart design choices, AI evolution, and network dominance. This approach may seem subtle, but it's potentially revolutionary, positioning Google as a leader in long-term value and user-centered design. And here's the most compelling twist: these changes could influence the broader market. By prioritizing AI intelligence, connectivity, and durability over superficial novelty, Google may quietly set the standard for what a flagship should be. Long-term stability, seamless performance, and subtle enhancements might become the new benchmark, forcing competitors to rethink how they design, market, and optimize their devices. So, is Google being cautious, visionary, or revolutionary? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the Pixel 11 Pro XL is full of hidden layers that most users and reviewers won't notice at first glance. From AI-driven battery optimization to advanced connectivity, adaptive cameras, and sustainable design, this device is engineered to evolve with you, quietly outpacing competitors who focus on flashy features rather than substance. The future of Pixel is unfolding right before our eyes, and the Pixel 11 Pro XL might just be the blueprint for the next generation of intelligent, long-lasting smartphones. Keep watching, because the next evolution could arrive sooner than you think, and it's likely to surprise even the most loyal Pixel enthusiasts.